Have you ever looked at a clock at 6 o'clock? The hands form a straight line. Today we discover the hidden rules of angles that meet on lines and at points. Adjacent angles are two angles that sit next to each other. They share one common arm and the same vertex, like two slices of bread sharing the butter in between. Rule 1. Angles on a straight line always add up to 180 degrees. This is because a straight line is actually a half turn. Remember, straight line equals 180. When two lines cross, they form an X shape. The angles directly opposite each other are equal. We call these vertically opposite angles, and they are always twins. Example 1. On a straight line, one angle is 120 degrees. Find x. Since they must sum to 180, we subtract 120 from 180 and get x equals 60 degrees. Notice how we just subtracted the known angle from 180. That's the golden trick for angles on a straight line. Always look for the 180 degrees first. Example 2. Angles meeting at a point make a full turn, so they sum to 360 degrees. Here we have 90, 75, 110, and an unknown y around one point. We add the known angles. 90 plus 75 plus 110 equals 275. Then subtract from 360 to get y equals 85 degrees. A full turn, like spinning a ball, is always 360. Common mistake. Many students confuse vertically opposite with adjacent angles. Opposite angles are equal, but adjacent angles on a straight line add to 180. Do not mix them up. Remember this chant, line 180, point 360. Opposite are twins. Say it 3 times before your exam. These 3 rules solve most angle problems you will meet. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to Ovasaabi for more clear and simple lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com and keep learning. See you in the next video.